Hi, Carl, Caronelda. How are you doing? From Green Valley Consulting.
Hello, Jane. We're doing well.
Hi, Jen. We're doing awesome.
That's great. And I heard that you already closed your first client for your consulting
Yes,
business.
that's right. Yes.
So let me congratulate you. And for how long you've been doing your discipline of execution?
Since August, Jen.
Since August. So August, September, October, November, almost going 4 months, right?
Yes. Yes.
How many outreach did you do until you close this first client?
It's about 800 outreach on LinkedIn, and it also does include outreach on Facebook, Messenger, and as well as phone calls and emails, and also reaching out on WhatsApp to my phone contact list.
Okay. So before following this execution worksheet, what you were doing to get clients for your consulting business?
We before this, we I did approach some people on my phone contact list, and I approached about 40 to 50, and then I did send emails to those that said it was okay to send an email. But then after I sent that 50, which was in March, for the period March, April, May, June, so it was also 4 months. After sending the 50, then I stopped, and I didn't get any response to the emails that I sent, and so I basically gave
Lost
up.
hope.
I lost hope, and then that's when we turned to you.
So meaning you contacted these people within 4 to 5 months, right?
Yes,
So for this first client that you close,
yes.
how many times did you get in touch with this client? Your follow up, including the initial.
Okay, so I reached out on WhatsApp, and he agreed that I could send him an email. And then after I sent the email, it was maybe 2 weeks, and he replied to say he's very interested in what the email had to show him, and he spoke a little bit about that he was already having another coach, but he would like to talk to me more about that. And then I phoned him, and we had a good chat on the phone, and he said he's still interested, and he's going to be meeting his coach, and then after he meets his coach, he would like to chat with me again. So then I phoned him for the second time after that, and um, and and he agreed, and I managed to close him. He agreed. So I said, "Can I send you the contract?" And he agreed, and then I sent him the contract, and he signed the contract and sent it back to me. So it was a WhatsApp, then it was an email, and then it was an email reply from him, and then it was 2 phone calls.
Okay. And what is the reason why he jumped and get you as a consultant? What do you think you tell to this client that he decided to get you as a consultant?
Okay, I think for his case, he has been studying and reading now for some years. So he's interested in self-development, and he in his situation, in his personal life and his business life, he wants to do more. He wants to be more. He wants to leave a legacy of more than what he's doing at the moment. So um, my my discussion with him on the phone was that thinking into results will allow him to do that. and will help him to grow, and it will help him to achieve what he wants to achieve faster, um, from the best person in the world on this self-development, Bob Proctor.
Okay, that's awesome. And if I will ask you to give your best advice for those people who doesn't have any experience yet of running their own business and how to close their first client, so what is this best advice that you can give them?
The best advice I can give them is one: first, before you can do anything, you must become very clear in your thinking about what it is that you want. And when you are clear in your thinking, then you need to take action. So once you've decided on what it is you want, and you've made your plan, put your goal, your target of what you'd like to achieve, then you take action towards that. And it's about selling your product, and you can't sell your product until you speak to people, and until you either sit in front of them face to face, or you phone them and reach out to people and start the communication. So that's my best advice.
And how about you, Clarinelda? What's your best advice for closing your this first client of yours?
Yeah, I think also just, I mean, we went through a season where we were every time just about to give up. And I think the idea is never to give up, because in every situation, there's always an escape door. So you need to decide, are you going to go through the escape door, or are you going to actually pursue your goals and your dreams? And if you're going to give up, you're going to feel like you failed. But if you're going to push through, you're going to have success at the end of the day. And it's easy to walk away when times are tough, because we've also been through some tough times, and it's easy to walk away.
So that's very good. So thank you very much for that good advice. And congratulations again for closing your first client. Hello?
Hi,
Hi, Jen.
we lost you there.
You lost me? So,
Yeah.
anyway, thank you very much. That was a very good advice. And if somebody's watching this right now, can you share your website where they can get in touch with you?
Our website is greenvconsulting.com.
And what exactly do you do?
Yes, we help people that want to be more and do more. Um, if maybe they are successful already, and maybe they have money, or things are going well, but they feel like they have a bigger purpose. They need to do more, and so this program helps you to do that quicker. And if someone is struggling with where they are right now, whether it be health or relationships or financial, um, thinking into results will bring that into alignment, and show you and give you the tools on how to move forward and to create whatever it is you want to create in your life.
And I also think, Jane, that this program is not just about financial well-being. It's about relationships. It's about relationships with your spouse, with your children increasing in yourself on all levels of your life.
So, again, let me just repeat your website. It's greenvconsulting.com. Is that correct?
Correct,
Yes,
yes.
correct.
And both of you are PGI certified consultant.
That's correct,
That's
yes.
correct, Jen.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. So thank you so much and congratulations for landing to your first client.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jen.